Hi friends! Today's video is dedicated to one of my school-time friends. Yesterday he called me and said, Kashif, can you make a video for my finance team and introduce them to Excel form controls so that they can improve the looks of certain templates? So let's start Excel. See you over my computer screen. Let me zoom in so that you can watch my screen easily. On a first look, I have realized that I do not have Developer tab on my ribbon, which might also be the case with most of you. Let's first add Developer tab. Go to File. Select Options. Select Customize Ribbon. Then check the Developer checkbox. Now you can see Developer tab in Ribbon. Now open the Developer tab and go to Insert Controls icon. Press it. Now you can see various control. Familiarize yourself with these names. Let's insert a combo box, normally referred as drop-down also. Select the icon of combo box and press left-click to insert it. Once you mouse hover on any symbol, you can see its name. After some practice, you will recognize all symbols. Set the dimensions as per your requirement. Now right-click the shape to open its controls. You have to give 3 inputs. Input range, to select the list range. Cell link, where sequence and list will be shown and you can further use the cell in your formula. Drop-down lines, how many options should be visible. For rest you have to scroll, but all list will be available. I have added few months in list range, but you can see that visible lines are based on our original selection. We can increase or decrease it based on our use. For example, most of the times we get required option in first 6 lines, then we can change the setting to 6 lines. Let's insert a checkbox in similar way. All of us has seen its most common use when we take a checkbox that we agree with terms and conditions. Its result in link cell can be used in any other local formula. If frequently you have to change the values of certain cells, then you can use spin button. You can define minimum and maximum values too to avoid any mistakes. You can add current value now, or it can also be done later on. Let me explain you something about group box. It's basically used to group few controls together, and mostly we use it with radio buttons or option buttons. You might have experienced cases which you have multiple options, but you can select only one. This is all possible when we use option buttons with group box. I hope you have enjoyed this video too. If you want me to make a video for you, then please share your suggestions in comments, and for sure I will make it. Please like and subscribe my channel so that you get a notification for all new videos.